Hello guys! How are you? In this video, I'll teach you how to make your videos higher quality, like this pack. First open your CapCut and upload your video. OK, and upload these CC packs. And export your video. After you finish, open the vMake app. And choose your video. And that's it. Your video is ready. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.